Um, the first tip is do not rush. Spend some time looking around in any space or place that you might be interested in visiting, but spend some time there. If you are fortunate and can speak Spanish, then spend some time with the locals, not just the expats. The expats will find you anyway, but you really want to get to know the locals. They're the culture here, and they're the people that really own the country, and you need to learn their culture, their mannerisms, and that sort of stuff. Panama has some beautiful places to go to, and they're all different. So, the other thing is, if you're looking at moving here, my suggestion is rent for the first year and a half. Do not buy until after a year and a half. I've seen too many expats move to Belize, where I was before I came here, and here also, that have come in, fell in love with the place, bought it, and then realize a year later that they cannot adjust to the cultural differences. The fact there's no 7-Eleven store on the corner that you can run out to and get a cup of coffee whenever you want. That sort of stuff seems trivial until it's not there.